blinds. A day begins, no warning signs. The world is soft, the sky unwinds. The air feels new, the ground feels kind. Steps are lighter, peace to find. A little spark is what I find. Oh, morning glow, you start the show. You paint the skies, you let me know that every day can softly grow. Oh, morning glow, oh, morning glow. The coffee brews a melody, the steam curls up its poetry, each little thing a symphony. The breeze it dances calls my name, a quiet world but not the same. Today's a spark, it's not